hymns here. Get 'em while they're holy, fresh from God's brain to your mouth.
And now, please rise for our opening hymn, In the Garden of Eden by I. Ron Butterfly.
In the Garden of Eden, honey, don't you know that I love you? In the Garden of Eden, baby, don't you know that I'll always be true?
Hey, Marge, remember when we used to make out to this hymn?
This sounds like rock and or roll. I know one of you is responsible for this, so repeat after me. If I withhold the truth, may I go straight to hell, where I will eat naught but burning hot coals and drink naught but burning hot cola.
Where fiery demons will punch me in the back.
Where my soul will be chopped into confetti and strewn upon a parade of murderers and single mothers.
Where my tongue will be torn out by ravenous birds.
Bart did it! That part right there!
Millhouse?
Millhouse, you did the right thing. Bart, come with me for punishment. You too, Snitchy. I want you to clean every one of these organ pipes that you have befouled with your popular music.